tutorials. Today we are going through how to set up public holidays. Let's jump right in. So most of your Wagemaster payroll file already loaded with the predefined public holidays, but just in case if you're missing or if you want to do a custom public holiday setup, this is how you do it. So you go into setup, then go into public holidays. So as you can see, I've got a pretty blank public holiday setup, so I don't have any dates, but usually you can see all of the predefined public holidays like Christmas, New Year's, and also Easter's, like the pretty standard ones. So I'm just gonna add a new one in here, so I can just put a description. In this case, I will use test public holidays. I can select the custom date. If I wanna depend on your state or any other reason you just wanna add a public holiday, you just select the date like that, click OK. And also this is how you load the predefined one. So if you click this drop down, as said, you can see all the defaults one. So for example, if I want to see the Christmas day, it's already pick up the day, you just need to click OK. And also New Year's Day and the Boxing Day. So that will cover the pretty much the holiday season for in my case. So let's close that one in. So let's see how it's going to pick it up. So I'm going to change the pay period into 31st. I'm gonna do a custom timesheet for one of my casual employee. Let's say he works from 5th. As you can see, as soon as I select the public holiday date, it will pick up in the light red background just to indicate that okay, we entering the time for a public holiday day. So let's say 12. I'll use F10, and that's the Boxing Day, like that. Go into next. Okay, so with my current setup, I don't pay any overtime rate or any different rate for the public holidays. That's why it's the rate same. But as you can see, it will define the weekday hours and the public holiday hours in the payslip, which are easy for you and also easy for the employees to verify how many hours they work on the public holiday and what are the rate they get paid. Alrighty, so that's about it, and thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All links are in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.